Hello everyone. Today I will be dividing using long division method. There are 4 steps in dividing this. First step is divide, then second is multiply, third is subtract, and number 4 is bring down. So first, let's divide this 2x cubed to x first term. So 2x cubed divide x is equal to 2x squared. Paano nangyari yun? Kasi ito, stay lang to siya. At itong variable natin na may exponent, i-minus natin siya sa exponent nito. Since wala siyang exponent pero may invisible 1 siya. So 3 minus 1 magiging 2. So 2x squared. Then tapos nun, multiply naman. So, i-multiply natin siya sa dalawa. 2x squared times x is equal to 2x cubed. And 2x squared times negative 2 is equal to negative 4x. And 4x squared na. 4x. Then, minus naman. Then, third step is to subtract. Minus. Yung subtract na to, magiging plus siya, magiging addition. Tapos, itong positive 2 na to, magiging negative siya. Then, ito namang negative 4 na to, magiging positive siya. So, ang mangyayari, 2x cubed plus negative 2x cubed, 0 plus, may invisible 1 tong x na to. So, 1 plus negative 4, 1 plus positive 1 plus positive 4 is equal to 5x squared. Ayan. Then, fourth step is to bring down negative 6x. Then, repeat the process lang. Una, divide ulit sa first term. 5x squared divided by x. Nangyari, magiging 5x na lang yan. So, plus 5x. 5 times, then multiply 5x times x is 5x squared. X squared. Then 5x times negative 2 is equal to negative 10. 10x. Then subtract again. Magiging addition na ito, papalit mo. Then yung sign na ito magiging negative. Then ito magiging positive ulit. So 5x, positive 5x squared plus negative 5x squared, 0 plus negative 6 plus positive 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, equal to positive 4x. Then, bring down, bring down, 8, negative 8. Then, ulit lang yung process. 4x divided by x is equal to plus 4. Then, 4 4 times x, 4x, then 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. Yan. Minus. Magiging plus ulit yan. Ito magiging negative. Positive ulit. Then 0. Ito. 0 na siya. Ito na yung reminder niya. And, so, ang sagot na ay ito. Ito na yung sagot, guys. Ito para makita nyo. 2x 12 plus 5 and plus 4. Yan. And ayun na yung sagot niya. Thank you for